Hey, welcome back. So, oh my goodness, this is one of my favorite items this catalog season. This is called the Deluxe Utility Tote LTD. Okay, so this is the upgraded version of our Deluxe Utility Tote. Now, our Deluxe Utility Tote is the upgraded version of our large utility tote. So this one is definitely the big mama of them all. And you can grab it this spring summer 2022 catalog season by hosting a qualifying party with 31 this season. So a qualifying party is at least $200 in orders, and you qualify to purchase a discounted hostess exclusive like this one, okay? And then of course, the more orders that you have on your party, the more that you're going to earn. Free credits, half price items, and then insider hostess exclusives. So this is just one of the ones that I'm featuring today, and I love it. Now I've got it packed so full because I want to show you how functional this can be for you and why you are going to want to host a party to get your hands on this. Now I'd love to host with you if you don't have a consultant. I do online parties. Basically, that's all I do is online parties. But I would love to, so it doesn't matter where you are. We don't have to be local to host a party together, which is cool because I can host, I live in Georgia and I host parties with people in Washington, California, Maine. It's crazy to think about that, but it is cool, the online world. Okay, so this is called the Deluxe Utility Tote LTD. It's going to come in 3 prints. So this is the bold color block. It's also going to come in the camper print, which I have here, and also the etched shells print. Okay, so this is the Deluxe Utility Tote LTD in the bold color block. Now, one thing I love about this is it has a little handle right here, so you can hook your handle here and then grab it up very, very, it's very, very sturdy, and I like that feature. And you can also, it has the webbed, the gathered handles right here, so it's kind of gathered, so they fit, it fits on your shoulder very well, okay? But this is I did the personalization. This is called the background initial. I did the big C, the background, so you can kind of see the background of the tote, the black through here. But I did that in the fawn thread color to match the fawn print here. And then the Carver I did in the block. This is the block font in the off-white thread color. So you can either do white or off-white here because it's got the multicolored straps right here. Okay, so on this side, this is like so heavy because I have so much stuff in here. But you have a little handle, so you can, if this is in your trunk, you can just, use this handle and pull it out. This is actually a thermal pouch. So I actually have 2 bottles of water in here. So 2 bottles of water. So it is thermal lined here. Okay, and then on this side, you've got 3 pockets here. So you've got a pocket on the front here, one here, and then one here. These are all pockets. So love that you can stay organized. And this one is actually a zipper pocket, so you can store. I would like probably maybe put my keys right there so I wouldn't lose them. And then on this side, you've got a little mesh pocket there on that end, the same as in the webbed handle here. So I have like some sunscreen in there and then my son's sunglasses, okay? Now this is going to come with a basically kind of like a divider insert. So you can kind of see that I have it divided in sections here. So you've got 3 sections. And you can't really see the divider in here, but I'll take all this stuff out so you can see. So I have on this side, like, I'm thinking like summertime, the beach, the pool, we're taking towels, we're taking cold drinks, we're taking all the things with us, right? So even the trunk of your car, this is great to organize. So I have a bag of chips, I have some gummies in here on that side. And then here I actually have in the middle section, I have 6 rolled up beach towels. So 6 rolled up beach towels. I'm gonna pull all those out. Okay, and then this section over here, I actually have one of our insulated bucket totes. Insulated bucket tote. This is in that bold color block print too. I think it looks really pretty together, but anyone can, oh, that was already, no, it was not zipped. You've got a little pocket right here to store things. And then this has a little handle right here. And this has that, thermal line. So you can put your, your cold things in here. So this is how it is divided. So you got the 3 sections. This is a little divided section here. And then you've got mesh pockets on each end. So you can see here on this one, I have sunscreen, sunglasses, and my little koozie. So love that it comes with the insert. And I'm going to show you the camper one and then show you how the insert works on that one. Okay, so this is the same tote. This is just in the camper print. Okay, it's called Trees and RVs. Okay. And then on this one, I did the personalization, the compass personalization in the peach thread color. And then I did Get Lost in the modern font in the peach thread color. If I had to do it over again, I would probably choose the rust thread color instead of peach. Now I'm happy with the peach, don't get me wrong, but this is like the rust thread color here. So I would, if I did it over again, I would do the rust thread color, but you can choose any thread color. Olive, black looks really good on here too. So, but here is how the insert works. So it's going to come with an insert, and the insert, you're just going to slide it in just like this. So that's what gives you the divided sections. And then you have these straps here that snap together. So this is going to snap through the grommets here. So you can see that I've got this, and I'm going to pull it through this grommet right here. Okay. And it's always easier to do it when someone's not watching you, but I wanted to show you how it works. Okay, so I'm just gonna button those. You can see how it buttons in. So it just buttons together. And then the opposite side, the same thing. So I love that this will give your tote some structure, but it'll also give you a way to organize this big tote, because sometimes the totes are just so big and everything just goes everywhere. And if you guys have watched me for any amount of time, you know that I do not like, I like to be organized. I like for structure. I like to have structure. I like to have everything in its place. So that's how it fits in. So this is the Deluxe Utility Tote LTD. I cannot wait to use my camper one, especially this summer when we go camping. I think our first camping trip is Memorial Day weekend. So we mostly just camp on the holidays, like Memorial Day, 4th of July, and then Labor Day. We always like book a year in advance. And so we do try to sprinkle in some other camping trips along the year, but those are the ones that we definitely plan ahead. So I cannot wait to use this. If you are following me on Facebook, you'll probably be able to see this this summer. So I hope that you will consider hosting a party with me this catalog season for sure, because this has been my #1 selling hosts exclusive since it launched in March. Everyone is grabbing this tote, and for good reason. It's really nice. I love it. You can use it in the trunk of your car. I mean, you name it. So I'll link below how to get in touch with me. So if you are watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I'd love to be your girl. I consider myself a party girl. I do a ton of parties every month, and I would love to host one with you. So you can click to join my VIP group on Facebook below, answer the 2 questions. I'll send you back a private message. So make sure you check that message request folder, that spam folder, and hopefully you'll see my message to you. If you're not seeing my message, then click on my personal page on Facebook like you're going to send me a message, and then you'll see my message to you there. So reply to me, and then hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group if you're not working with a consultant already, okay? And then if you're interested in joining as a consultant, we can chat about that too. I'd love to help you get your business off to a strong start, okay? And subscribe to my channel here so you'll get a notification when I post a new video. So many more coming your way. I'm just so excited over this catalog, as you can tell, and I'm looking forward to hosting a party with you. Okay, see y'all soon. Bye.